Today, I'm going to show you how to repay your RedotPay credit account. First, open the RedotPay app and tap Credit Account on the homepage. Next, check your outstanding balance. This is the amount you need to repay. Tap Outstanding USD to see the details and start your repayment. Then, tap Repay Now. Enter the amount you want to repay, or tap Max if you want to repay the full balance. You can use funds from either your funding account or your credit account to make the repayment. Finally, tap Pay to complete your repayment. And that's it. Following these steps ensures your credit account is up to date and avoids any overdue fees.